You gonna start?
Yeah.
So HouseVac, we meet every Tuesday. So why would you want to come to HouseVac? So it's all about open source hardware, open source software, and then using those things to, so we teach each other. So someone would come with a new board that they found, and then they would show someone else how it would work. Also, a lot of people have been playing with 3D printers, so you can see here's the 3D printer. It's lying on its side because we're busy fixing it, so there's something wrong here, but then the guys know a little bit about electronics and they fix it. And the nice thing about this is also like we'd learn. So initially I didn't know much about it, but then someone would know about it and they would teach me. So it's really open to anybody that's sort of, a lot of people ask me like, what about membership fees? So there's no membership fees. The whole thing is just we want to meet people that are as enthusiastic as we are about technology. To come here every Tuesday, so every Tuesday we're from about 6 o'clock until 9 o'clock and sometimes 2 o'clock in the morning, and it gets really cool. And to come collaborate, learn, teach, that's about what HouseVac's all about.